Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue that CentOS 8 users might encounter: the failed to download metadata for repo appstream error. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk through the steps to fix it. Now, let's navigate to the /etc/yum.repos.d/directory. We'll use the following commands to comment out the mirror list entries in all yum.repos.d files and replace the existing base URL with http://vault.centos.org. sudo sed is/mirror list/#mirror list/g/etc/yum.repos.d/centos-** and hit enter. Sudo sed pipe #base URL equals http://mirror.centos.org pipe base URL equals http://vault.centos.org pipe g/etc/yum.repos.d/centos-** and hit enter. Now, let's clean the yum cache to ensure that the changes take effect using sudo yum clean all. Finally, let's update the system to fetch the latest metadata using sudo yum update. Now, buckle up for the update process. It usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes, although the exact duration can vary depending on your system's specifications. So, grab a cup of coffee and let CentOS work its magic. And there you have it. We've successfully addressed the failed to download metadata for repo appstream error on CentOS 8. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.